So let's take the special case. Let me rewrite that here. Special case. So the special case is M equals N. And that means the line has been divided into two equal parts. They have been divided in the same ratio. So in that context, the coordinate of C will now be M S2 plus M X1 over M plus M, comma, M Y2 plus M Y1 over M plus N. And if you look at that, you will see that I can factor out M in the numerator for both. And that will be M into S1 plus S2. M into S1 plus S2, comma, factor out, okay, let me say over 2M. Then factor out M in the second coordinate, M into Y1 plus Y2, also over 2M. Now, M, we cancel M. M, we cancel M here. So you now have S1 plus S2 over 2, comma, Y1 plus Y2 over 2. So that's the special case. And this now implies midpoint. Midpoint of 2 points. Is that clear?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay. Please write that, then we will now see example. And when you are done writing, let me know.
Yeah, I'm done, sir.
Okay. So let's say example. Point C lies on the line segment AB such that coordinate of A is 3, minus 3, coordinate of B is 6, 6, and AC ratio CB equals 1 to 2. Full stop. Find the coordinate of C. Find the coordinate of C. So write that question quickly. So let me say examples so that this will be 1. When you are done writing, please let me know.
Okay, so I'm ready.
Okay, give me a few minutes. I quickly want to call somebody.
Hello, sir.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I'm with you. So let's see the solution. So let me just put up a sketch. Though that may not be needed because it's synonymous to the one I put up. But for clarity, let me just put it up. So let's assume A is here. This is A with coordinates 3, minus 3. And B is here with coordinates 6, 6. Now, We were told that point C lies on the line segment AB such that this, and the ratio of AC to BC, AC to CB. What does that mean? It's 1 to 2. It means that point C is closer to point A because if it's divided in the ratio 1 to 2. So in this context, M is here, which is 1. N is here, which is 2. So this is point C, which we don't know its coordinates. Is that clear? So recall the formula. Point C, which is S, Y, equals M S2. No, let me tag this one. S1, Y1, S2, Y2. So to generate the formula, don't forget the other time I told you it's easy to recall. So M times S2 plus N times S1 over M plus N, comma, M times Y2, M times Y2 plus N times S2, Y1, N times Y1 over M plus N. So I will now substitute the value of M and the value of X2, N and the value of X1 for the first coordinate here. So that gives 1 times S2, S2 is 6, plus N, which is 2, times X1, X1 is 3, over 1 plus 2, comma, M, which is 1, times Y2, Y2 is 6, plus N, which is 2, times Y1, Y1, which is minus 3, over 1 plus 2. So evaluate each of the coordinates. This will give you 6 plus 6 over 3, comma. This will give you 6 minus 6 over 3. And that gives us 6 plus 6, 12, divided by 3, 4, comma, 0. So the coordinate of C is 4, comma, 0. So for the line that has been divided in the ratio 1 to 2, with coordinates of A and B being what they are, will now give us the coordinates where the line, the coordinate of the point where the line has been divided to be 4, comma, 0. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. So write that quickly. When you're done, let me know.
Yes, sir. Fully copy down.
Everything?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's see example 2. And I will want you to attempt that example 2 before I come in. I want to see how you're going to fare there. Question 2 says, point T lies on the line segment SU. Find the coordinate of U given that S, which is 6, 2, coordinate of T 12, -4, and ST ratio TU equals 3:2. So I want you to attempt it. Let me see how you're going to fare. Find the coordinate of U, given that coordinate of S is that, coordinate of T is that, and the line is the ratio ST to TU 3:2.
I'm done, sir.
Okay. You are done writing the question or with the solution?
Okay, I should solve it.
Yeah, solve. I want to see your
Okay.
attempt. Is it feasible?
Yeah.
Any progress?
No, so I'm confused because you're giving me the corners of, the middle points. I'm confused on where to start. Can I help, please?
You see that each time I'm trying to put up solution, I try to sketch. I want you to
Yeah, I've
adopt
sketched it,
that
sir.
pattern.
So I've
Yes.
got T in the middle, which is 12 minus 4, S in the top right, which is 6, 2, and then you at the bottom.
Okay, don't worry. Let's do it together. Now we are told that point T lies on the line segment SU. So meaning that we have X here, U here. So in between S and U, you have T. Am I communicating? Now coordinate of
Yes, sir.
S is 6, 2, while that of U is unknown. So let's call that S, Y. But if you call it S, Y, we may not get what we want. So let's call it S2, Y2. Understood? So that of S is going to be X1, Y1. Now, we are also told that the ratio of ST to TU is 3 to 2, meaning that T is closer to U because it's divided in ratio 3 to 2. So 3 here, 2 here. And what does that mean? It means that M is 3, N is 2. So let's now call the coordinates of T. Okay, according to the question, coordinate of T has been given to be 12, minus 4. So 12, minus 4 here. Hope that makes sense to you. Now, let's now relate this to the formula. The formula, I said C equals, so this time now, instead of C, it's going to be T. So T, which is X, Y, equals M times S2 plus N times X1 over M plus N, comma, M times Y2 plus N times Y1 over M plus N, bracket close. I will now substitute for each. Now, coordinate of T is known. So that's 12, minus 4 equals M is known to be 3. 3 times S2. S2 is unknown. Plus N, which is 2, times S1. S1 is known to be 6 over 3 plus 2, comma. Hope you are following.
Yes, sir. I'm following.
Okay. Now, M, which is 3, times Y2, also unknown, plus N, which is 2, times Y1, which is 2, over 3 plus 2, bracket close. I will now tidy up each of the coordinates here. So this will be 12, minus 4 equals 3S2 plus 12 over 5, 3Y2 plus 4 over 5. Now, by equality, I will now compare the coordinates of the left-hand side with right-hand side by equality. By equality, three S2 plus 12 over 5 equals 12. And that's first coordinate to first coordinate. Second coordinate to second coordinate. 3y2 plus 4 over 5 equals minus 4. So I have two equations. I will now solve them. You are not solving this simultaneously this time because the expression you have here is sufficient to determine S2. The expression you have here is also sufficient to determine Y2. So this will give us 3S2 plus 12 equals 60 and 3Y2 plus 4 equals minus 20. So S2 from here will be equal to what? That's 60 minus 12. Whatever it gives you, you divide it by 3. 60 minus 12, that's 48. 48 divided by 3, 16. Is that clear? So S2 is 16. By similar arguments here, subtract 4 from minus 20. So minus 20 minus 4. That gives you minus 24. Minus 24 divided by 3 will give you minus 8. So Y2 equals minus 8. And therefore, coordinate of U equals 16, minus 8. That's all. Does that make sense to you? Hello, Ade.
Yes, sir.
Does that make sense to you?
Kind of.
You said no? Hello?
Oh, sir.
Does this make sense to you? Is it clear? Can you hear me?
You can hear me?
By equality that I said, I mean you compare the coordinates of the left-hand side with right-hand side. So the first coordinate on the right, which is 3s2 plus 12 over 5, is equal to the first coordinate on the left, which is 12. Is that clear? Then the second coordinate here, which is 3y2 plus 4 over 5, equals the second coordinate on the left, which is minus 4. So that's what I mean by equality. You know, the left-hand side, the coordinate is 12, minus 4. The right-hand side, the coordinate is 3s2 plus 12 over 5, 3y2 plus 4 over 5. So since I have the coordinate to be equal to one another, so that means I can say that the first coordinate is equals to the first coordinate on the left equals the first coordinate on the right. Similarly, the first coordinate on the left, second coordinate on the left equals the second coordinate on the right. So that's what I mean by equality. And you can see that I have equated let me highlight it for you. This, I don't like that. Let me just change the color of the pen. This equals this. All right. Similarly, this equals this. So that's what I've done here. So that's what I mean by equality. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Is
understand it
it,
now.
is it clear?
So
Is it clear now? Hello?
I can see it, sir.
When you're done writing, let me know.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you now. I want to go back to our existing board. Just hold on. Okay. Okay. Have you copied this?
No, sir.
Okay, quickly do.
I have a copy. Yeah.
When you're done writing, let me know. I have assignment for you.
Yes, sir. Wait, so what's the word again? By equal?
Which one is that?
By equal, is it what's the word?
You mean here?
No, yeah, the word by what?
By equality.
Okay, equality.
Yes. By equality. Should be true.
Yes, sir, I'm done.
Okay. So take this assignment. Number one says that point A has coordinate 1,8. The midpoint M of the line, the midpoint of the line segment AB has coordinates 5, 3. Find the coordinates of B. That's number 1. Number 2, Jonah plots points A with coordinates -6, -2, B which is P, Q, and C which is 10, 6. On the line segment AC. Question A. Given that AB ratio BC equals 1 to 3, find the values of P and Q. Question B. Calculate the length of the line segment AB to 1 decimal place. So that's the assignment question. Hope you are writing.
Yeah, done, sir.
You've written that?
Yes, sir, I have.
Okay. So to be submitted before Saturday, please.
Yes, sir.
All right.